Illegal encroacher houses demolition Lahore Jang. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Khonsen Rongpi inaugurates Jal Jeevan Mission at 4 places under Havarkihan. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sipi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. In a major development that took place on Tuesday morning, several houses of illegal encroachers were demolished by a mob. The demolition was carried out inside the Lahorijan Nirmal Tea Estate land under the Lahorijan police station. The demolition was executed by Lahorijan Tea Estate Workers Committee inside the land belonging to the Lahorijan Nirmal Tea Estate. The area has been heavily encroached and illegally occupied by non-locals and suspicious citizens. Over 300 to 400 houses were illegally constructed by these encroachers since 2004, against which organizations like Karbi Students Association, Assam Jatyabadi Yuva Chhatra Parishad and All Assam Students Union have been vehemently protesting without any result.
নিৰ্মাণ কৰিলে এতিয়ালৈকে
ইয়াতে 300 ঘৰ মান হ'ব স্যার পুৰা সাইডে এনক্ৰোচমেন্ট কৰি পুৰা ভিতৰলৈ সোমাই গল সদায় সাগজ কাটি হেতি ঘৰটো বনাই থাকে
এটো কেতিয়াৰ পৰা চলি আছে
এটো স্যার আপোনাৰ ঘৰ বনোৱাটো 2000 নহয় 2004 ৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে
এই ঘৰবিলাক কি হৈছে কেতিয়াৰ পৰা বনাই আছে এইবিলাক
ইটো তো 2004 ৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে আমি তো তেতিয়াৰ পৰা আমাৰ কামটো কৰি আছো এনেকা আমি আহি বন্ধ কৰিলে আকু ৰাতি গুটে ৰাতি ঘৰটো বনি যায় ৰাতিপুৱা আহি আমি ঘৰ বনাটো ভাঙিব নোৱাৰো ন কেছটো তো আমি আমাৰ হাতত ল'ব নোৱাৰো.
The ownership of the land, however, is also controversial, with one Pele Kheje claiming to be the owner, but according to public, the land actually belongs to late Robin Brahma, the husband of one Amphu Ingtipi, who was stated to be a friend with Pele. Later, Pele allegedly transferred half of the land under his name through unfair means. In addition to this, according to public, Pele is allegedly involved in secretly selling of the land and other illicit activities. The demolition of houses of illegal settlers were demolished by around 50 to 60 members. Meanwhile, Khatkati police and SDPO John Das reached the spot and took control over the tense situation.
উত্তপ্ত পৰিস্থিতিৰ সৃষ্টি দেখা গৈছে স্যাৰ উত্তপ্ত পৰিস্থিতিৰ সৃষ্টি হৈছিলে কিহৰ কাৰণে আচলতে ঘটনাটো কি হৈছিলে স্যাৰ
আমি ৰাতিপুৱা খবৰ পোৱা মতে ইয়াতে মানে বাগানৰ মানুহখিনি খবৰ দিলে যে ভিতৰত মানে ৰাতি ঘৰ এটা বনোৱা হৈছে খবৰটো পাই আমি আৰু পুলিচ প্ৰশাসন আহি পেলাই ইয়াত খবৰটো ল'লোঁ আৰু এটা মানে এতিয়া আমাৰ তেওঁলোকৰ মাজত যদি কথা পাতি আমি বুজি পালোঁ মাটিখিনি মানে অলৰেডি তেওঁ ঘৰটোতো ভাঙা হ'লে তেওঁলোকৰ আৰু আমি যি প্ৰশাসনৰ পৰা ব্যৱস্থা ল'ব লাগে এইখিনি আমি ল'ম আৰু আমি এয়াৰ অফিচ আৰু ডিফু কাউন্সিলত জনাম যে মাটিখিনি কাৰ হয় কেনেকৈ আৰু যি মানে তাৰপিছত যি ব্যৱস্থা ল'ব লাগে আমি লোৱা হ'ব মানুহখিনি অলৰেডি বুজাৰ পৰা পঠোৱা হৈছে
কাৰণ noni kita ke bukan subdivision angkang Karbi Anglong men Nagaland ahoy dak Lahorijan along lo ladak pedap adap bajiner ke alama porpen ladak sa bagan do sa bagan along aron repen pinang amuni datum dak hem kacukim alam pini pinap kalilo kasi lason sila bangso sa bagana long penang anatum hemang ki ben do bom lo laso alam ben pini ada babangke bagana tum penan bagana tum klembang atum thur paksi bang pokep trokem na do thur paksi tadak penana hem pripon phun lo laso ahem kikim komasi kapin khalo ne mate komasi ke to ne la dak alam long elang stame arlo penisi alam ke chini dun ke nile tum ke dak Safiuddin Lapen Umar Ahmed Tunsi Kepakim Toy Pusi Alam ke klan.
Anand Terang's report from Bakajan, Karbi Anglong Live. With state assembly election round the corner, political activities is gaining more momentum across the hill district of Karbi Anglong. On Tuesday, the Autonomous State Demand Committee held an extended meeting in center during which party matters were discussed. The extended meeting of the party was held at Mirdan English High School and was presided over by President Hon Singh Terang and was attended by Central Committee leaders Sonjoy Kiling, Keshav Terang and Gulson Bey among others. During the meeting, 13 members belonging to the Congress and BJP were given warm welcome and inducted in the party. The new members who joined the ASDC on Tuesday stated they quit National Party in order to strengthen the statehood movement. During the meeting, leaders of the regional party reminded about the sacrifices of the people during the statehood movement, asserting that it has to be strengthened and make sure that the sacrifices do not go in vain. In addition to this, the leaders asserted that ASDC is the only party committed to fight on statehood issue, pointing out that the national parties like the BJP and Congress only take up the issue during election.
Achi song la yo ni pen hempe kan ka tha yo ni pen ASDC tu hem adit ano ho apen na pan kita na bang khor po susi halo sut non an ke itu non ke print media chokali itu non ke social media hasu print media bot ke to media electronics media la ka no abila hote asam no na kawar bela durdoson so channel si durdoson non ke wala itu kalau teman-teman pakai kunci electronics media serang kawar udah langsung atau kalau lihat tu non itu kita tangkap jika terang angkong itu bakal lebih cici itu siapa lo bangkor posisi.
Dirjuna Rongpi from Tarabasa for Karbiang Long Live. The Bokajan Block Congress Committee had on Tuesday organized a protest at Dilai. The protest was held with an aim to draw attention of the government towards the poor condition of roads in the district. The dharna, which was held in Dilai, began at 11 a.m. The protesters said on the NH36 road have been lying severely damaged and remain unrepaired and unmaintained for many years. It may be noted that despite being highlighted several times in print and electronic media, the authority continued to remain silent. Karbiang Long District Congress Committee General Secretary Sotro Teron said that since the beginning of Modi government, roads have turned from bad to worse. He also added that the state government is not giving proper attention to the hill districts. He urged upon the public to vote the Congress to power in the upcoming assembly election. During the protest, Bokajan Block Congress Committee Vice President Lokeshwar Teron said that the present BJP government is not giving enough importance to the welfare of the poor and had severely criticized the state government for their negligence and indifference.
Towar condition ko son ke no la so lam phi putas nil tum la pini protest ke do nang ko Narendra Modi sarkar pini ani anda towar ke me thek long le tu so lam phi putas nil tum pini la da dharla ke do nang ko bala so lam thela
pini ani ke along sita dolo la sinil tum sita me da Bokajan block a hin pen sita me Bokajan Congress block Congress pen a hin sita me ni tum ta la sa program and dunsi pini ani la da Dikrong along la National Highway 36 along towar ka heno majokta thenglong hurlo majokta damlong hurlo sitame akimi to bangke non piniani anta nitum thenglong le dunlong le gari pen sitame helalong le.
Former MAC Borsing Rongpi, Borjan MCC President Borsing Ingti, MMCC Borjan President Nilima Hansepi, BCCI Secretary Dakiram Singnar, BCC Secretary Rensing Inhi, MYCC Borjan President Rajesh Rongpi, and many other party workers and supporters were also present in the protest. Bijay Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbiang Long Live. In Harogat Tiniali as well, the local Congress party leaders had organized protests against the inaction and failure of the present BJP-led state government to solve the problems of bad roads across the state. On Tuesday, as per the direction given by the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee President Ripon Bora, the local Congress party leaders had organized protests in the form of road blockade on NH36 in protest against the inaction and utter failure of the present BJP-led state government to solve the problems of bad roads across the state. More than 60 party workers from the Langsu Mepi Block Congress Committee took part in the dharna held from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Langsu Mepi Block Congress Committee President Michael Bey and other leaders including Longki Ingti, Ronsing Teron, Sanjeev Teron, Dipali Rongpipi also took part in the road blockade.
ষ্টেটৰ আজি প্ৰতিবাদ অৱস্থা ৰাখিছে কাৰণ সকলোৱে গম পাই আছে সকলোৱে দেখিছে যে আমাৰ নেশ্যনেল হাইৱে 36 আমাৰ বিশেষকৈ আমাৰ যোনটো এতিয়া বৰ্তমান যোনটো জাৰ্মান টেকন'লজি বুলি কয় জাৰ্মান টেকন'লজিৰ কাম আৰম্ভ কৰিছে বুলি আমাৰ ইয়াত কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলে এই কথাষাৰ এক সময় কৈছিলে কিন্তু আজি দেখা পাইছোঁ যে জাৰ্মান টেকন'লজিটো অৱহেলা হৈ আছে ফেলাৰ হৈ আছে আজি যোনটো স্পীডত কাম কৰিব লাগিছিল আজি প্ৰায় আজি যোৱা কিমান এক বছৰ ধৰি এইটো আৰম্ভ কৰা হৈছিলে কিন্তু আজিলৈকে এতিয়ালৈকে এইটো ফলাফল আমি দেখা পোৱা নাই এতিয়া আপুনি বাঞ্জাৰ পৰা আপুনি ডিলাই ৰোড আপোনাৰ লাহৰিজান তাত অৱস্থাই নাই
Sarpang Intis report from Langhen, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Khonsing Rongpi had on Tuesday inaugurated the Jal Jeevan mission at 4 places under number 10 Hawarkehat constituency. The 4 villages to get the benefit of the scheme are Ira Digholpani, Mridu Pathar, Pankumar Dimasa village and Pankumar Adivasi village. The Jal Jeevan mission is a scheme taken up by the Department of Public Health Engineering under the Government of Assam to provide clean and safe water to every household of the state. The mission was kick-started with an aim to mitigate the crisis of water from every household. While speaking on the occasion, EM Khonsing Rongpi said that the 4 villages are just the beginning and that every village of the district with water crisis will be connected with the mission.
জল জীবন মিশন এই অভিযানটোত সমাৰম্ভত আজি আমি এৰা দীঘল পানীত আৰম্ভ কৰিছোঁ আৰু ৰাইজৰ লগত এখাৰ মাত দি যাম বুলি আহ্বান কৰা এই মিটিঙত সভা উপস্থিত মাননীয় সুৰজিৎ নাথ ডাঙৰীয়া অজয় মজুমদাৰ ডাঙৰীয়া আৰু আপোনালোকৰ এই PS2 পলিং ষ্টেচনৰ যি দলে প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট পাতি থৈছে মাননীয় জিতেন বৰুৱা ডাঙৰীয়া আৰু
লিতম কাচিং অনলাইন প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী 15 অগষ্টনি লাল কিলা বঞ্জিতু ভাৰত আংকাংতি আৰাত আফান কেচে চাকতে কাঙালাম जल मिशन जल जीवन मिशन वाकम अलांग लिहादाक रादाफान क्लेम पीजी पुनिंगी देत पेनाफी लासो काम नॉन भारत अंकांगा दा नहका लेबोमलो लासन ठकसी कार्बिंगलो लोंग दा लेबोमलो हलो सलगत दा दोनो हरहत समष्टि लोंग सितामे पिनि पेनिटन लबांसो काम पमचिंग
Local residents have expressed their joy over the step taken by the government to ensure the availability of water. Several villages of both Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong are hopefully waiting to get the benefit from the scheme. As such, it would be interesting to see how far the mission can gain success in its goal. Harsing Rongpi's report from Hawarkehat, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.